Hello guys, today I'm presenting you my book about paper call. Wait, you will say, oh, you are trying to sell us something. Let me tell you. You see, this book is one of the complete guide for paper call. I'm gonna explain. Today I'm selling this book on Amazon for $39. If you want to have a copy like this, you don't need any mentor, you don't need any coaching. If you have the book, if you have the book in your hand, you don't need any coaching. For pay-per call, let me explain. I already explained on this channel why you need to start pay-per call affiliate marketing. Pay-per call allow you to do little or no effort to make thousands of dollars online. Simple. Let me explain. In this book I explain how to get the calls. So I'm gonna go to the chapters and let you see what you will see on this book. So for the first chapter, we're gonna explain, you see, on the first chapter we explain what is pay-per-call affiliate marketing. Just very brief, pay-per-call affiliate marketing is when you make someone grab the phone number and make a phone call to call for a service, and you get paid. You don't have to make them buy anything. They just have to grab the phone and call for service, like carpenter, like plumber, like electrician. Like you need someone call just for service like dental services or for home repair services. You see, I'm on my car and I say it is important for me to present you this book. My book is in 3 versions. The first version will be a readable version that you can read on your Kindle if you want to go e-reader, like read it on your Kindle account on Amazon. But I will suggest you to buy the solid copy like this. It's for only $39. And if you want it with cover, hardcover, you will get it for $99. So let me show you what you're gonna find inside of this book. The first chapter will be introduction to the pay-per-call affiliate marketing. The second chapter, let me give you an overview. The second chapter is understanding the pay-per-call business model and know what is pay-per-call and all type of pay-per-call business model and how you can make money with them. And the third chapter, okay, let me give you the third chapter will be, I will teach you how to choose the best pay-per-call network and how to get approved for them and how to choose them. On this book, you will learn step by step how to do this. You don't have to watch the lot of videos to spend a lot of time. If you don't want to go for my training, you think it is very expensive for you because it's over $250. This one is the complete guide. It's more complete than my training. Yeah, it's more complete. So if you buy this book, you don't need anyone to help you to start making your first 1,000 with pay-per-call. So the third chapter is how to choose the best pay-per-call network for affiliate marketing. And the fourth chapter is choosing the right pay-per-call offer. If you want to choose the right pay-per-call offer and you want to choose the one that you're gonna run ad for, or you're gonna use TikTok, you're gonna use Instagram to generate your first call or your first $100,000 per year, this is how I'm gonna explain and show you how to choose the offer. And I will show you the best converting offer. On this book you will see them. Okay, and the chapter, in this chapter, one of the things that I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna talk about the home insurance, how you can make thousands of dollars with home insurance offer. I'm gonna talk about earnings that you can earn with pay-per-call. Let's just suggest you are promoting a e-moving service, like a moving service company that are moving stuff from people that are departing from a place to another place. Someone that leave an area and gonna go to another area. So there are companies that are ready to pay you to help them find clients that want to move. Maybe you move from Florida to New York. So there are companies ready to pay you if you can find them people that are ready to move. So these offer pay up to $70 per phone call. Just make someone call them. Just say, okay, now I'm moving. I am in Florida and I want to move to Chicago. I want to move to New Jersey. And these companies, because of the call, someone call and last, let's say, at least 90 seconds, you can make up to $70 per phone call. Just imagine if per day you can generate 10 phone calls like this. 10, only 10. I don't know what you're gonna do to generate this call, but if you can generate 10 like this, you would have made more than $700 per day. So I explained this on this book, these type of offers, and I give you training on the chapter 11. I go just very quick on the chapter 11 for you. I explain you how to start with Google Ads, how to start running ads for pay-per-call, how to get a lot of phone calls. When you read this book, you're gonna see step-by-step guide how to generate phone calls using Google Ads, spending like $5, $10 per day, and generate 1 or 2 phone calls that worth of more than $40. So it's a win-win situation. So you will make a lot of money if you use these methods. So on the book, let me tell you, see, I have the copy here of this book. When you have time, you can read it. You read this book, and step by step you start making your first $100 with pay-per-call, your first $100 per day. This book is complete. It's one of the best pay-per-call book on Amazon right now. There are no other book like this explaining step by step everything that you need to start making your first 1,000 with this business model, which is pay-per-call. So I'm gonna link it down below. It's on the very first link. I'm gonna put the book. Go grab it because it's not gonna last longer. Go grab the book because you want to make your first 100 with pay-per-call. It's on Amazon right now. You're gonna find the link below and click buy the book, and after say me thank you, because for this value, the value that I give in this book, the price is like a gift. For only $39, that is like a gift for you guys. Okay, so now let's talk about why you're supposed to start pay-per-call business. A lot of people say pay-per-call is dead, and I totally agree with you, because you don't do what you're supposed to do to make money with pay-per-call. People still calling, people still go on Google, find services. How come you can say pay-per-call is dead if people still calling for taxi drivers? They are calling for dentists, for plumbers, for electricians. They are calling for a service. As long as services are always available for people, pay-per-call will never die, because people always need service. People always call for a particular service. So if you don't know how to promote to find the best offer, this is why I come with this book. I just showcase everything on this book. And I explain all my techniques on this book, step by step. If you buy this book, you're gonna come back and say, Vanel, thank you so much, bro, because this book helped me generate my first $1,000 with pay-per-call. So guys, go grab your copy while you still can, because pay-per-call is one of the best business that can make you your first 1,000 effortless. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.